Students, now we'll continue that. Suppose number of elements in set A is equal to m, number of elements in set B is equal to n. Then number of relations from A to B, already I told in the relations from A to B. I told the formula 2 to the power of n of A into n of B, which is nothing but 2 to the power of n of A value is m, so you will get m into n. Like we have number of functions also. So n of A is equal to m and n of B is equal to n. Then number of functions from A to B, that is equal to number of elements in B set power number of elements in A set. Number of elements in B set is n, so we can write n power m. So this is very important question. The number of functions from A to B, that means set A to set B, n of B whole to the power of n of A, n power m. Here one more important condition is, I told beginning itself, all relations need not to be a functions, but all functions are relations. They will ask the question like this: number of relations but not functions. Number of relations but not functions. But a relations should not be a functions. So total relations are 2 to the power of mn. In that you have to subtract the number of functions, then you will get a number of relations but not functions. Correct or not? These are functions, these are relations. I told functions is also relations, that means these functions also involved here. Now in this case what they are asking, number of functions but not number of relations but not functions. We have to exclude the functions, that means you have to minus the functions. That's why I subtracted 2 power mn minus n power m. This is for number of relations but not functions. Otherwise number of only relations. In that case you will write this. Clear, students? Next we have the graphical test for functions. Graphical test means, see that. Graphical test for functions. So they will give a diagram, geometrical diagram. By seeing the diagram, we have to say that whether it is a function or not. How to say that? Very simple. Suppose if whatever the diagram is given, if draw every line parallel to y-axis, it intersects at most at one point. It is a function. Otherwise it is not. Otherwise it is a many one. Need not. Otherwise it is a relation. Otherwise it is relation. See the students, if draw every line parallel to y-axis, that means vertical line, it intersect at most at one point. What does it mean? At most means maximum one point. It has exactly one point. One point la cut madbekri. At one point it is a function. Otherwise it is not a function. Just I will explain with an example. One diagram is given. So this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. It intersects the given graph only at one point, then it is a function. See, it is intersecting only one point, hence it is a function. Hence it is a function. Given one more diagram. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. It intersecting more than one point. It intersecting more than one point. It is not a function. Why? Because suppose the intersection points you can take it is 2, this is minus 2, in x-axis 1. While writing an ordered pair, this is 1 comma 2, this is 1 comma minus 2. So f is equal to set of ordered pair 1 comma 2 and ordered pair 1 comma minus 2. So I told a relation is said to be a function. No two distinct ordered pairs have the same first coordinate. In this ordered pair 1 2 and 1 minus 2, first coordinate will be 1 1. That's why it is not a function. Clear, students? So whenever the diagram is given, just you draw the vertical line and you check it whether it is a function or not. If ordered pairs are given, that we know very well. According to the definition, if a relation is said to be a function, no two distinct ordered pairs have the same first coordinate. We can check here. Suppose in the diagram is given, need not to given any ordered pairs, then how to check? Vertical test. If you draw a vertical line, if it cuts exactly one point in the given graph, that given diagram, it is a function. More than one, it is not a function. Clear, students? So that is the vertical test for functions. Right. Now we will discuss the types or kinds of functions. Next, kinds of functions or types of functions. So based on their numbers or behavior, we will divide different types. The types of functions, kinds of functions, now I will discuss. We have the types. First one is one-one function or injunction. One-one function or injunction. Second one, onto function, surjunction. Onto function, surjunction. Third one, many one. Fourth one, into function. Fifth one, bisective function or one-one and onto function. One-one and onto function or bisection. Next one, identity function. Next one, constant function. Next we have even function, odd function, composite function, till we have so many. So these are all the types. Now we will discuss it. The first one is one-one function. Kinds of functions or types of functions. First one is one-one function or injunction. The definition itself, we have the answer. 1 1. How can we define? F is mapping from A to B is said to be a function, is said to be a one-one function. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. That means different elements of A is having different images in B. F is mapping from A to B is said to be one-one function. Distinct elements of A have the distinct images in B. That means different of set A elements, different images should possible. Understood, students? Once again I will repeat it. F is mapping from A to B is said to be a one-one function if distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. different elements of A have different images in B. In function, we will discuss different elements of A have unique image in B. Here, different elements of A have different images in B. There, in function, they must be a same image also. No problem in that. Clear, students? That one example I will explain. Suppose AB 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. So 1 with A, 2 with A, 3 with B. Is it function or not? You have to check it. According to the function definition, different elements of A have unique image in B. See that different elements, unique image. Correct or not? 1 with A, 2 is also with A. Here images are same, but different, here considering different elements. Clear, students? Otherwise, you are confusing here. A relation is said to be a function, not two distinct ordered pairs. You consider any two ordered pairs, their first coordinate will not be same. Their discussion only first coordinate will not be same. Second coordinate may or may not, no problem in that. That is very, very particularly you have to note down. Clear, students? First coordinate will be repeated, it is not a function. Second may be, no problem. It is also a function. Function definition, f is mapping from A to B is said to be a function if every element of set A associated unique image in B. Every element of set A is unique image. 1A, 2A, 3B, unique image. 1 ki A image, 2 ki A image. But 2 ki it is unique image only. 1 ki unique image only. But we are seeing that A is associating with two different elements in A, not same element. That's why no problem in that. Clear, students? But it is a function, it is not 1, 1. Why? Because different elements of A have different images. 1, 1 function definition. But different elements of A have same image. 1 with A, 2 with A. Different elements of A have same image in B. It is a function, it is not 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function means one element, one image. 1 A. 2 should not be again A. 2 can be another element. That is 1, 1 function. It is a function, but it is not 1, 1. When it will be a 1, 1, different elements of A have different images in B. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. So here distinct images are not there. 1 and 2 is having same image A. So in 1, 1 function, remember students, in function, ordered pairs first coordinate will not be same. Any two ordered pairs first coordinate will not be same. Whereas 1, 1 function, any two ordered pairs second coordinate also not same. First also not same, second also not same. Second also will be a different. Then only it is possible. Clear, students? So that is a 1, 1 function. Once again I will repeat it. F is mapping from A to B is said to be a 1, 1 function or injunction. Other name for 1, 1 function is injunction. F is mapping from A to B is said to be a 1, 1 function or injunction. No two distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. Otherwise, different elements of A have different images in B. Then it is called 1, 1 function. For this, we have mathematical definition also. Just I will write the definition here. See that. F is mapping from A to B is said to be 1, 1 or injunction not two distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. That we will write also different elements of A have the different images in B. That is called one-one function or injunction. What is its mathematical definition? I can write with an example also. See here, different elements of A have different images. 1 with A, 2 with B, 3 with C. There is unpaired element here, no problem. One more important thing also, should not be unpaired element in set A. Set A should not be unpaired. If it is unpaired, it is not a function. It is not a function. Clear, students? In codomain there must be unpaired, no problem. It can be, no problem. It cannot be also, no problem. But here, it cannot be always. If it is a unpaired element, that means there exists one element in set A without image, it is not a function. It is not a function. That's why that is very, very important rule. Function means you have to remember always two conditions. First one, there is no unpaired element in set A in domain. Next, second condition, any two elements or different elements of A should not be more than one image. That's why each and every element of set A, there exists unique image in B. Then only it is possible. If one is related with A, one should not be another. 2 can be A, no problem in that. Second coordinate can be repeat, no problem. So function, those two are very, very important condition. Unpaired element in set A is not possible. Second one, if any two different elements of A have only unique image in B. Different elements of A have same image, it is not a one-one function. That's why no two are distinct odd pairs have the same first element. These two are must you have to follow. But second may or may not, no problem. If it is a one-one function, different elements of A have different images. That is only meaning. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. So now this function is a one-one function. It is also a function. What is its mathematical definition? For every, this is very, very important. For every x1, x2 belongs to A means nothing but a domain. For every x1, x2 belongs to A, there exists such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is equal to x2. This is mathematical definition. That means x1, x2 are domains. If you take x1, x2 elements in the domains, in the ranges, domains are equal, ranges also equal. If domains are not equal, ranges also not equal. That is all, that condition also we can write. Or f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is not equal to x2. We will see these are all the examples they will ask in the question, f of x is equal to some 2x plus 3. Show that f is a one-one function. That time we have to use the mathematical definition. What is mathematical definition? For every x1, x2 belongs to A. x1, x2 means nothing but 1 is x1, 2 is x2 in this problem. So x1 or x2, they are not equal. Obviously, f of x1, f of x2 also not equal. If suppose x1, x2 is equal, must be f of x1 and f of x2 is also equal. Then only we will call the given function is a one-one function or injunction. One-one function or injunction. Understood, students? This is the mathematical definition. Now we have to see that number of one-one functions, whether it is possible or not, how they are possible. Next, what is graphical test for one-one function? Now we will discuss that. Right, students? Now we will discuss the number of one-one functions. There is a condition. Always is not possible number of one-one functions. What is the condition? You remember always n of A, number of elements in set A, is always less than or equal to number of elements in set B. I will explain why it is not possible in such cases. In this case only, number of one-one functions are possible. Set A elements smaller than or equal to set B elements, then only 1 functions or injunctions are possible. Number of 1 or injunctions possible only if n of A smaller than or equal to n of B, lesser than or equal to n of B. Clear, students? If it is more than, why it is not possible, that I will discuss. Yes, if it is n of A is smaller than or equal to n of B, what are the number of 1 functions? That I will discuss here. Number of 1 functions from A to B, set A to set B, that means number of elements in B set, permutations, number of elements in A set. Or already we are taken n of B, let it be here, you can consider n of A is equal to m elements, n of B is equal to n elements. I can write as n, p, m also, because number of elements in B set is n, permutations, number of A set elements is n. So number of n of B permutations n of A or n p n. This is possible when n of A is smaller than n of B. Only in this condition, this is the formula. Now, number of 1 functions from A to B. Suppose these two are equal, n of A and n of B are equal. That time we will write equal means they must be either m or n. So if it is m, m factorial, or if it is n, n factorial. That is only the meaning. That is only the answer. Clear, students? Suppose if n of A is more than n of B, what happened? Number of 1 functions is 0. Not possible. Why? Because in permutations you know the formula. NPR. What is NPM? What is the formula here? N factorial by n minus m factorial. Correct or not? First PU, permutations and combinations. You know very well. What is meant by permutation? Selection and arrangement is called as permutation. Only selection, it is called combination. So NPR we will use the formula n factorial by n minus r factorial. Suppose, I will explain with an example. N of A is equal to 3, n of B is equal to 4. Number of 1 functions, number of 1 are injunctions. Formula is n of B permutations n of A. So 4p3, 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. You will get 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial is 1 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You will get 24 1 functions are possible. When it is possible, n of A is 3, n of B is 4. That means A is smaller than B. Suppose we will take n of A is 4 and n of B is equal to 3. Now you check it. 3p4 is not possible. Why it is not possible? 3 factorial by 3 minus 4 factorial. 3 factorial by minus 1 factorial. Factorial is for only natural numbers. We don't have the negative natural numbers. That's why this case is not possible. That's why I told whenever you need a 1 functions, definitely n of A value should smaller than or equal to n of B. Sir, suppose they are giving n of A and n of B, both are same 4. according to formula 4p4, that means 4 factorial by 4 minus 4 factorial, you will get 4 factorial answer, because denominator 4 minus 4 factorial is 0 factorial, 0 factorial is always 1, 0 factorial value is not 0, 0 factorial is 1, remember it students. So it is 0, you will get 4 factorial, 4 factorial is nothing but this number only, that's why I told whenever they are equal, they must be a one number. 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, whatever the number will come, if it is m or n, that factorial is answer, if n of a and n of b is same. Suppose n of a is smaller than n of b, you have to apply this formula. N of a is more than n of b, 0, not possible here. Not possible means 0, 1, 1 functions are possible, and 1, 1 functions exist agalla. 0 means there is no function. Clear students? So number of 1, 1 functions want to exist, there must be a rule. What is that rule? Means n of a smaller than or equal to n of b. Why? I told with an example here. If n of a smaller than, that means less than n of b, we have n of b permutations n of a, npm. If suppose they are equal, that number factorial, what is the number in the given problem? That factorial. If it is more than, I told it is possible only this case, but the case bitti case kodidaro, 0 possibilities. Clear students? So this is a number of 1, 1 functions. Now we have one graphical test. Idukku one graphical test ide. What is the graphical test of 1, 1 functions? Just we will discuss 2 minutes. Now, graphical test. If every line drawn parallel to x-axis, I told graphical test for graphical test for function, draw a line parallel to y-axis. This is x-axis. Don't forget students. If every line drawn parallel to x-axis, it intersects at most at one point on the graph. Hence, it is 1, 1 function. Suppose it is cuts more than 1, it is many 1. Why? Because if a function is not 1, 1, it is many 1 function. Later I will discuss about many 1. So remember it, graphical test. If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, every line drawn parallel to x-axis intersects the given graph at most one point. That means maximum it intersect only one point. Exactly one point it intersect, which is called 1, 1 function. Otherwise it is many 1 function. Clear students? Sir, what kind of functions are 1, 1 functions? You see that all linear functions. Strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, continuous functions are all. A function is a continuous which is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. That we will discuss about strictly increasing, strictly decreasing functions. We have the topic maxima, minima in the second PU. In that time I will explain in detail what is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. Such kind of problems, you can see that those are all 1, 1 functions only. Those are all 1, 1 functions only. Understood students? Right.